Hey y'all, ready to do some griddling? I'm not quite sure what I'm making, but hopefully it'll be good anyway. Um, See, we got corn, potatoes, uh, carrots. The potatoes and carrots I threw in the Amaro cooker and steamed them a little bit. I think about 4 minutes. Fresh corn on the cob. This is salt, pepper, and garlic, which I put on out of habit because I got the minced garlic here. But anyway, I got ghee on the griddle. Give it some good flavor. I guess you could call this a seafood boil without the seafood, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Because I didn't have any shrimp this time. But griddled corn and potatoes are always good. I discovered if you cut up the corn on the cob like you do for a seafood boil, it cooks a lot faster. Just so you know. Okay. Toss a little real garlic in here just to give some flavor. Because you can't have too much garlic, especially with seafood, right? Right. What's that, Baja? No, I think we'll be okay. Everyone's a critic. Okay. Important part of the job, Baja ball. Good job. And we're probably ready for some celery now. I'm not used to planning ahead with all this stuff. Usually I just throw stuff when I remember it needs to be added. I'll get it out of the cabinet or the fridge and add it to the pile. So y'all are really making me think ahead of time, and I don't like it. Goes against my basic human nature. And excuse the air conditioner. It hasn't come on forever till I started cooking. Oh well. We can live with it. McGee. They say we had some avocado oil just for some shits and giggles. Did I say that? I didn't say that. For giggles. Sorry. I don't know what came over me. It was a weak moment. So, we got some Old Bay, which is always good if you're doing a seafood boil, or seafood, or just about anything. Let's add a little paprika, just for color and excitement and giggle. looking good, it's smelling good. But you know what goes even better with all that? Onion. Can't have all that with onion. And I forgot one of my ingredients. Told you I'm not used to thinking ahead, so hold on, I'll be right back. And welcome back from that commercial break. I'd like to thank today's sponsors, the Acme Anvil Company and Amsoil Motor Oil. Great for your motorcycle. So, this is frozen peppers. Let's just dump them on there. I forgot. I'm not used to planning ahead, I told you that. Hopefully they'll catch up to everything else and taste yummy. Still got to level out my griddle. I just lost 2 carrot pieces down the back into the oil drain. I don't think the peppers will take long once they break up. Breaking up, it's oh so hard to do. Okay, these on the ground may be a little bit harder. It's one of the benefits of living out here. Yes, Baja. She's very excited about all this. I'm excited about all this. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm excited about the griddle. Speaking of the griddle, thank you, lovely assistant. You're welcome. I found a place online that sells a half cover for the 36 inch. Sadly, this is only a 28 inch. And I'm using all the real estate today. Anyway, covers half the griddle, and it's got hinges so it goes up and down. It's got a thermometer. It's a Yukon something. Yukon is a company, and hopefully they'll make one for the 28 inch soon. So this is smoked sausage I just throw it on there. Everything's going good. Getting a nice crisp on everything. Lovely assistant loves a good crisp on the sausage, so I'll try to get that on at least half of them. Right, Baja? Taters are getting a nice crisp. Corn's getting a nice crisp. The peppers I just threw on at the last minute are starting to cook. The ball's starting to bounce. And shouldn't have taken my spoon in so soon. Oh well. Everything but the elote seasoning blend. Just for another little kick. And what else do we have? Oh, I almost forgot my Mrs. Dash. Generic, but it's still Mrs. Dash. Ooh, can you smell it now? the herbs in Mrs. Gas really brings out the aromas and flavor. And naturally, I'll probably put either sriracha or hot sauce on mine. Crystal. Love my Crystal hot sauce. Don't want to just say Crystal. I love Crystal because my lovely assistant may not be so lovely if I said something like that. So we'll make sure we specify Crystal hot sauce. It's awesome. What are you thinking, Baja? Are we looking good? Let's try one of these little charred pieces of tater. What do you think? Does it look good? If I hold it right in front of the camera. That's the stuff, y'all. So this is some chili lime seasoning I'm adding, just for a little bit more depth. And we're getting close. I think everything's pretty much done except getting the char on the smoked sausage like the boss likes. You should have had me put it on sooner, but you weren't paying attention, were you? It's hard to find a good audience of 1 or 2 people. Hopefully there's at least 1 or 2 of you. So what do we call this? It's not a seafood boil because there's no seafood. Do we call it a jambalaya? Not a gumbo. There's no okra. I love okra. Okra is good on the griddle, by the way. What should we call it? You have any ideas, Baja? She just wants to call it dinner. What else can we taste? Ooh, this is getting a good char. Don't tell my lovely assistant. We're going to taste test smoked sausage. That's good. Not a goulash. You could call it a summer stir something. Summer supper. Summer griddle. We need to make up new recipe names for the griddles, don't we? Grilled cheese, grilled fish, grilled whatever. The grilling people have taken all the grill names. We need to come up with griddle names. Griddle hash. Griddle fry. Griddle food. I don't know. Just don't call me late for supper. Right, Baja? So, we're pretty much done. I'm just waiting for the, meat to cook a little bit. And we're good to go. So, let's do one more thing. Extreme close-up. Boy, doesn't it? Can you smell it? It smells so good. Anyway, that's today. Oh, and we're sharing a romantic sunset. Thanks for watching, y'all, and that's a wrap. Bye.